Dearest Android users, so you've heard the song somewhere and you just cannot figure out what the title of the song is. Now, the Google Assistant can help you tell you the title of the song just by listening to you sing the lyrics or you say the lyrics, just like this. You don't know what you did to me. Your body language speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body language speaks to me.
Here's what I found on the web.
Whoa, it worked. I mean, look at this. But why will you even go through this plenty stress when you can easily go to any browser in your Android devices and then search for the lyrics you can remember, probably suggestions of songs with similar lyrics and including what you're looking for might even pop up. You check it and download it, or better still, you go to the Shazam app, which has made life very easy for all users. And also, this tip is not just for Android users, it applies also to the iPhone users with the help of Siri. So if you find this tip helpful, subscribe for more and follow us for more tips like this.